Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about citizen and citizenship. Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state and is obligated to obey its laws and to fulfill his duties. Citizenship is the status given to the citizen which provide them the right to legally live in a country as long as they want. Types of citizen. There are two types of citizens. First one is natural and naturalized citizens. Natural citizens are the citizens by birth. Naturalized citizens or the one who acquires citizenship. Next one is acquisition of citizenship. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship. They are by birth, descent, registration, naturalization and incorporation of territory. First one, by birth. A person born in India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 1st July 1987, the citizen of India by birth irrespective by nationality of his parents. A person born in India on or after 1st July 1987 is considered as a citizen of India if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of birth of India, one or of whose parent is the citizen of India and other is not an illegal migrant at the time of their birth. By descent. A person born outside India or on after 26 January 1950 but before 10th December 1992 a citizen of India by descent if his father was a citizen of India at the time of his birth. A person born outside India on or after 10th December 1992 is considered as a citizen of India if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. From 3rd December 2004 onwards, a person born outside India shall not be a citizen of India by descent unless his birth is registered at an Indian consent. Next one is by registration. A person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident of any country or place outside undivided India. A person who is married to a citizen of India and is ordinarily resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration. By naturalization. The central government may on an application grant a certificate of naturalization to any person. If he is not a citizen of any country where citizens of India are prevented from becoming subjects or citizens of that country. A citizen of any country renounces the citizenship of that country. He has either resided in India or been in the service of a government in India or throughout the period of 12 months. By incorporation territory. If any foreign territory becomes a part of India, the government of India specifies the person who among the people of the territory shall be the citizen of India. Such person becomes the citizen of India from the notified date. For example, when Pondicherry became a part of India, The Government of India issued the Citizenship Order in 1962. Next one is single citizenship. Our Indian Constitution provides for only single citizenship, that is the Indian citizenship. But federal states like USA and Switzerland has dual citizenship. In India, all citizens, irrespective of the state in which they are born or reside, enjoys the same political and civil rights of citizenship all over the country. A single citizenship for the entire country removes much of the artificial state barriers that prevail in pre-independence days and facilitates the freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse throughout the territory of India. Rights and duties of the citizen. Our Constitution confers the following rights for the citizen of India. Fundamental rights. Right to vote in the elections to the Lok Sabha and the state legislature. Right to hold certain public office. Right to become a member of the parliament and state legislature. According to 42nd Amendment of our Constitution, a set of fundamental duties are prescribed for all citizens of India. For example, paying taxes honestly, respecting the rights, beliefs and opinion of others, defending the country, respect and obey state and local laws, and so on. Next one is qualities of good citizen. Loyalty to the Constitution, obeys laws, contributes to society and community and performs civic duty. Quality of goodness and justice, respecting diversity. A citizen enjoys liberty in democratic state. He or she is free to take up any job or profession. He or she has the right to vote. The citizen can elect the government of their choice. The citizen have a right to property, right to worship, right to seek justice, right to write or express thoughts, etc. Last one is global citizenship. Global citizenship is an idea that everyone, no matter where they live, is part of a whole worldwide community rather than as the citizen of a particular nation or place. All people have rights and civic responsibilities. It is a fundamental in enabling young people to access and participate in shaping modern society. A global citizen is someone who feels like they are a part of an emerging world community and someone who works to contribute to the society's values and beliefs. Global citizens see the world as a whole, value diversity and understand global issues. Thank you, students.